Down in Whoville, it's the best time of year. Help them decorate the town, to spread lots of cheer. Show your holiday spirit, and jump through the wreath. When you see a Christmas copter, duck underneath. Collect all the presents, and smile with glee. Find an ornament, and throw it high on the tree. Be sure to watch out, if you see decorated trees, but if you see the Grinch, don't forget to freeze. The Whos were so happy, the Grinch looked on in disgust. So take away Christmas, he decided he must. Run through the streets, and find a house to jump in, go through the chimney, and let the shenanigans begin. Once in the house, entered without a key, twirl and unwind the ribbon on the tree. Dodge any ornaments that might be falling down. Scoop and toss presents that are sliding on the ground. Chop all the lights right into two, and tiptoe around if you see Cindy Lou Who. No lights or gifts for Whos, yet what did the Grinch hear? Whoville was singing, they still had plenty of cheer. So maybe happiness, the Grinch thought, doesn't come from a store. Maybe the holiday season, perhaps, means a little bit more. So race back down Mount Crumpet, with Max in your sleigh. And return all the items, to help save the day. Be sure to stop, along the way. To help the Grinch's small heart, grow 3 sizes today.